it now. Okay, so there we go. We're recording. This is our meeting, and we're going to play a game where the kids are going to go into breakout rooms. And this is a chance for you to get to know each other and to have fun together and to talk. So your rule is everybody has to talk. I'm going to create breakout rooms, and in your breakout room, there'll be 3 participants in each room, at least 3. And you are going to take turns adding on to your plans for a snow day. So for example, if I say to you right now, tomorrow we're having a snow day and I'm going to sleep until 11 o'clock. And then Adrian adds on with yes and. Go ahead, Adrian.
I'm going to climb up the roof of the house next door because I can't because there's so much snow.
Ooh. And then Haben says yes and.
I'm going to nearly murder myself.
No, not appropriate, Haben. Try again.
I'm going to go sledding.
Yes, and I'm going to go sledding. Remember to say the yes and, because that makes the person feel like you liked their idea. Okay? Any questions about this game? Okay, so you're going to be in a room with 3 to 4 kids. Go in the room and just take turns going around and saying, if tomorrow's a snow day, I'm going to do blah, blah, blah. Okay? Here we go. Screens on, please. Alex, Nora, Gerard, Alaya, Elijah, Sveta, Gracie, Rena, Vi, Adrian, Elizabeth, and Alma, David, Jaden, Clara, Deckard, Griffin. Griffin, buddy, head to your room. Abby, Emma, Subi. Okay, perfect. Hi, Emma. The other kids are in breakout rooms right now. So they're playing a little game where everybody talks to help plan a snow day. Were you here? Were you already here this morning?
Yeah,
or
I got
okay. Okay. So I'll send you back to one of the breakout rooms, okay? Let's see. Assign to room. Put you in room 3. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. Hi, guys. Was that enough time? Did you guys get to talk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. You got a good day planned tomorrow. So remember I already had parents write and ask me if we were going to have school tomorrow. You remember that I said that Flex officially is there every day. Of course, if you want to have school, everything's there. But that I think this year in particular, we all need a joyful snow day. So if you wake up in the morning and there is snow in the ground, I will adjust the schedule and move everything back a day. So you can have a snow day tomorrow and play. And we won't meet with book clubs if it's snowy in the morning. We just will skip it and do it the next week. Okay? Elijah, are you praying for snow? But you have to go outside and play in the snow if you're going to do that. All right, friends. So we are going to move on because the person who we were going to do Two Truths and a Lie about wasn't here. So we'll have to do it another day. We are going to talk a little bit about next that we have a new class job. So Elizabeth turned in a job application and she has been hired as our new class tech helper. So if you are having problems learning how to, I know earlier Vi and I were talking about how to make a PDF and edit it online. Some of you guys are experts at that, but from now on, if you have a question about how to do something like that, I'll put you in a breakout room with Elizabeth and she can answer that question. If you have found something cool online that you think we should try, like online Mad Libs or some other cool thing online, there's actually there's this cool program where you can send yourself a letter when you're older. Like you can write a letter to yourself and it will be emailed to you in however many years you tell it to email it to you. So you can write a letter to yourself that will come to you in like 5 years. So maybe Elizabeth can be in charge of finding things like that for us and bringing them to our attention, and you can let her know too about ideas. I'm going to make sure I've closed the breakout rooms. It looks like they're closed. Okay. Yeah, everybody's out of there. Good. All right. Elijah, did I send you that message? Did you get that about your... Elijah is not in this meeting. It says you're not in this meeting, but you are in this meeting, aren't you?
Yeah.
I was just writing back to you about your lost Google Doc thing. Is it a Google Doc?
No, it's like on paper.
Oh, well, I can't help you find that, silly. You're going to have to find that. I can't search your room. All right. So congratulations, Elizabeth. She's our tech helper. She's not my digital assistant online when things go wrong. That's still Adrian, and Adrian's still doing any of the, in fact, Adrian, I'm ready to do another survey for the kids. So I'll talk to you about that later, not today though, okay? I wanted to mention to the new kids about book clubs tomorrow. So normally on Fridays we have book clubs. So Zaida and Emma, you might have looked, if you look at the schedule tomorrow, I'll show it to you right now. Now it might be different if we end up canceling tomorrow. But normally on Fridays, when you open the agenda, you're going to see it says what you need to do. And then also it says small book club times to zoom in. Note new groupings. So you'll see that your names, both Zaida and Emma too, I called you, Lulu, are at 9:30. So at 9:30, you use the link to come into your book club. Elizabeth is going to join our OBOB crew. So you're at 12 o'clock. And then at 1 o'clock, you have a live art lesson. So you just click on the Zoom link. Also on your calendar, you should have had a little thing pop up. So you girls, Emma and Elizabeth, or I'm not Elizabeth, Emma and Zaida, you should have this pop up that says Night Howler Club. And that's your book club. So if you click on it, it'll say, click this link to go right on our shared Google Doc. And when you click that, it will take you to your assignment for the week. So these clubs met 2 weeks ago and made plans. We're about to look at the Night Howlers clubs. It says, I haven't added your names up here, but I will do it soon. We meet again in 2 weeks. For that meeting, make sure you read nonfiction for at least 20 minutes a day. After that, continue with your fiction reading to make sure you're still reading a lot. Pay attention to structure, notice big ideas and supportive details. Then pick one of your topics to bring boxes and bullets notes to share with the group. You don't have to record anything here, just bring your notes and the book that you took them from. But sometimes this will tell you like other things to do. Like if you look down at the bottom, you'll see all the work they've done this year. And sometimes they write comments in here. It just kind of depends on what the group has decided. So all the groups have got that, except for that Elizabetta with the OBOB group, I don't make assignments for that group. They just make their own assignments. And I think this week you're just studying the books and being ready to do some practice quizzes. Raina, you have a question. Go ahead.
So on the calendar, sometimes you write that there's art class at 1 p.m., but it also says there's one at 1:30 p.m.
Oh, you know, at the very start, I think I had the wrong time on there, and then I've been copying and pasting. So does it say it right now, Raina? So 1 o'clock is when art is on Fridays. So ignore it. If it says 1:30, just tell me I've made a mistake. If you ever find that, tell me, okay? Just send me an email. All right. Let's see. I think we're all here now. Let's go ahead and play Two Truths and a Lie. Here we go. Our mystery person today has a middle name or a second name of John, has a pet dog named Biscuit, or does he? And when they were 6 years old, they used a knife. So now use the chat and looking at the screen, guess who you think it is who has a second name of John, has a dog named Biscuit, or might have a dog named Biscuit, or used a knife when they were only 6 years old, and put it in the chat. Well, all I'm saying is the second name says John. So that could be a girl, I guess, Abby, but you're probably right. That's probably a clue. Okay, put the name in the chat. I need to see some names in the chat. Okay, I see some names coming in. Gagan, Jaden, start game. I don't know what that means. Gagan. Come on, guys, let's get those names in there. Everybody type a name in there of somebody you think it might be. Deckard. Is Deckard here today? I don't see him. Gagan. You are here, Deckard? Hey, Deckard, will you stay afterwards as well, please? I need to ask you a question. Okay, Joseph, Joey, Gerard. I don't know. It's hard. Griffin. All right, friends. So it's so weird, Elijah. I keep trying to send you this message and it won't let me. It just says you're not in the meeting, which is weird. Anyway. All right, friends, we've got lots of guesses in there. If you are the mystery person, please speak up now.
It's me. Zong.
Zong, it's Zong, which if you guys were sneaky and you noticed Zong was trying to get into the meeting, you had a hard time getting in today, huh, Zong?
Yeah, I got kicked out a lot of times. The first time I got in, the cameras were all black.
Really? Weird. I don't know. Your internet up there on the hill is off today. All right.
Yeah.
Friends, what is Zong not? Uh-oh, somebody's talking. Who's talking? So let's see what Zong's not telling us the truth about. Do you think that Zong is not telling the truth about the first thing, that his middle name is John or his second name is John? Do you think he's not telling the truth about his little dog Biscuit? Or do you think he's not telling the truth about using a knife when he was only 6 years old? Please put a 1 if you think that it's his middle name, a 2 if you think he's lying about his dog, or a 3 if you think he is lying about the knife. And I don't even know which one's the lie. So I guess 2, just because I'm not sure. Okay. All right, we got a lot of 2s, a lot of 1s. Some people think it's the middle name. Some people think it's the pet. Not only one guess of a 3. Everybody thinks you were using knives when you were 6 years old. Let's see if he tricked us. Zong, which one's your lie?
My lie was the second one. I have no pet.
Your nickname.
I knew it. I got it right.
I kind of knew it because I have been to his house a couple of times getting the tortoise and stuff, and I've never heard a doggy. So I thought I knew that one. Well, you can count up you can count up how many people guessed 2 and subtract that from 27, and that's your score. Okay?
Ellen, when we were actually in school, me and Zong were in the same class,
Uh-huh.
and he said he didn't have a middle name.
Oh, really? But your middle name's
He just said
John,
He
Zong.
did it in Minecraft Club too. He said he didn't have a middle name.
Yeah, I
What's the deal with your middle name, buddy?
John isn't my middle name. It's just my American name.
Oh, okay.
My parents like my sister's name. Her name is hard to pronounce, so they changed it into Jane. But Zong is easy. Zong is okay to pronounce, so we didn't change it.
Okay,
So
cool.
my original American name is Zong.
Yeah, a lot of immigrants to this country will have a traditional name and then an American name, just so you have both. Does anybody else have that? Have two
Yeah.
names? Hey Ben, what's your American name?
it's Haben. So,
That's the American one?
well, kind of. Well, it's actually more of a nickname.
What's your real name?
No, Haben's my real name. So my other one's more of a nickname, I guess.
What is it? Are you not going to tell us?
It's Ibu.
Oh yeah, I saw that. They've actually written that in your school records, but then you never said it, so I didn't ever use it. All right, friends. Today
I also found out nobody got the right answer with my name.
I know, so you
a
got
lot of
you got
before
27
people got
points
the
on that
correct
one.
answer.
Good job. All right, friends. Right now, I am going to read a biography, which is a book that's written about a famous person. It's kind of long. I'd like you to grab your notebooks if you can. And here's what I'd like you to focus on, okay? We're starting to talk a little bit about what do you focus on when you're reading nonfiction. And the truth is it really depends on the kind of nonfiction that you're reading. I'm going to stop my recording and start it again so I can put this in our